Hey guys, today I'm going to share a powerful weight loss remedy that will help you lose up to 5 kilos in a month. Yes, with this fat burning drink, you can lose 5 kilos in a month provided you eat healthy, drink lots of water throughout the day, include fruits and raw veggies to add fiber to your daily diet. Well, we all know that drinking warm water with lemon and honey helps in weight loss. But did you know that adding just 2 ingredients to it helps you burn fat faster? If you are struggling to lose weight, then this remedy will help you along with my tips and suggestions. So first let me show you how to make this incredible fat burning drink. Heat 1 glass of water in a saucepan. Once the water starts to boil, add in 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera and then simmer the flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, switch off the flame and allow the cumin water to cool down. Do not allow the cumin water to cool down completely. The water should be warm. Now let's prepare this miracle fat burning drink. For that, pour the warm cumin or jeera water into a glass. Did you know that cumin or jeera is a big source of dietary fiber that suppresses your appetite and controls your food cravings throughout the day, thus helps in weight loss. Cumin improves digestion and also gives relief from bloating, acidity, abdominal gas, etc. Once the cumin water is poured into the glass, you can discard the seeds. Now squeeze in half a lemon. Lemon helps your liver to produce bile, which in turn helps your digestive system break fat down faster. Lemon contains a fiber called pectin, which keeps you fuller for longer and keeps your cravings away. Add in 1 tablespoon honey. Honey is an instant energy booster. According to Ayurveda, it boosts your immunity and aids in weight loss. Also remember not to use honey with hot water, as hot water will kill the valuable enzymes in honey. So always make sure you add honey to warm water and not to hot water. Did you know that honey is packed with amino acids and a number of valuable vitamins and minerals, many of which benefit the body's metabolism? By regulating the function of the metabolism, food is utilized properly, fat is converted to usable energy, and overall health is improved. Lastly, add in 5 organic curry leaves into the water. Simply tear the curry leaves with your fingers and add in. Curry leaves helps your heart function better. It's a one-stop natural remedy to beat anemia, protects liver. It helps in lowering blood sugar levels, helps in regulating blood pressure, improves digestion, lowers cholesterol, and alter the way your body absorbs fat, thereby helping you to lose weight. Curry leaves naturally cleanses the body and flushes out bad toxic substances. Chewing or eating curry leaves regularly helps in weight loss. Curry leaves crushes body fats and makes body fit and healthy. Miracle fat burning drink is ready to consume. This drink will help you burn calories by increasing your metabolic rate. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach and make sure you chew the curry leaves. It's also important that you do not consume any coffee or tea for at least an hour of having this drink. Last but not the least, this drink will give you a clean skin and a natural glow. Having said all the goodness of curry leaves, I strongly advise you to use only organic garden fresh curry leaves. You can also grow them in pots in balconies if you are short of space like I am. Do not use curry leaves from shops or vegetable markets, as these are loaded with pesticides and other chemicals. Along with this drink, try to maintain a healthy low-calorie diet with 20 to 30 minutes of walking. Do try this simple and easy fat burning drink, and I'll see you soon in another video.